Career Boost is Ryerson's source for on-campus job opportunities, providing undergraduate domestic students with hundreds of paid work experience opportunities each year. Regardless of your program and year of study, Ryerson has a diverse set of on-campus opportunities available to you. There are 2 Career Boost programs within 1 calendar year: the fall and winter, and summer. Each program requires a separate Career Boost approval application. The work hours for the fall and winter are up to 15 hours per week for 27 weeks, 14 weeks in the fall and 13 in the winter, while the summer is 35 hours per week for 14 weeks. The hourly rate for a Career Boost position is $14 to $17. Please note that you must have completed the Career Boost approval application and have received approval to work on campus. With this in mind, you may apply for any fall, winter, or summer position before applying for the Career Boost approval, as the Career Boost student approval application becomes available prior to the start of each work term. However, job offers are conditional pending the student receiving their approval. If you have any questions on OSAP, Career Boost eligibility, and application forms, email jobs@ryerson.ca. If you want to strengthen your resume, cover letter, or interviewing skills, email career@ryerson.ca. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops, or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.